Hello everyone, this is Marco and welcome back to my channel. How exciting is it to be a Jurassic Park fan right now? Jurassic World Battle at Big Rock will be released soon. Today I'll be making the Allosaurus from Battle at Big Rock and will be made to 1/18th scale, which is the same scale adopted by Mattel for their Jurassic World toy line. This figure right here is one that I made in a previous video. The Allosaurus present in Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom is a juvenile, and the one at Battle at Big Rock is the adult version. Also in this video I'll be showcasing two products, Milliput Epoxy Putty and the ARTEZA Acrylic Outdoor Paint. In the first few minutes of this video I'll be using masking tape to block out the main shapes of the figure. I start by rolling up a long piece of tape, the sticky side on the outside. So we end up with a long, sticky and flexible thin roll which can be placed around the outline of the dinosaur reference picture. Like so. The inside space will be filled up with rolled up bits of tape. By adding more layers, we end up with a general volume of the figure. Now that the volume of one side of the body is complete, we can flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. Then we can wrap it up with more masking tape to consolidate it as one piece. So now I'm making the legs. We use the exact same procedure. Also, I'd like to add that from now on I'll be using this 1/18th scale, which means I'll be remaking some of my old figures with more detail, bigger, better, and with more teeth. I'll be making all the dinosaurs from Battle at Big Rock, so expect an Ceratops coming soon. Also, be sure to stick around till the end of the video, because I have taken some pretty cool clips of the finished product. This leg is now complete. One more to go. And now we make the arms. And now we make the head. Now all the body parts are complete and can all be glued together, but before that we can pose our figure, as the masking tape is still quite flexible. To glue all the bits together, I'll be using a combination of super glue and tape. Also, if you base your figure on an official Jurassic World or Jurassic Park render, your figure's proportions should be quite accurate. These creatures are designed to stand, so it means that your figure has got a very high potential of standing up. Make sure the feet are at the right angle and flat against the floor. Now's the time to sculpt all the details. Milliput has very kindly sent me 2 boxes of their amazing 2-part epoxy putty. Their products are perfect for model makers, but can also be used for virtually anything. It comes in various colors and finishes to suit everyone's needs, like this beautiful brand new turquoise version. One pack of Milliput contains 2 parts that when mixed will start setting, which means you have about 4 hours to complete your sculpt. Then it'll become rock solid. I find that after about an hour of sculpting, the material starts getting a bit rubbery, so I suggest mixing a small amount and sculpting your figure in stages. What is cool about this material is that it can be smoothed with water. I'll leave the links of the products showcased in this video in the description down below. I'd also like to say that I've put a lot of effort into editing this video. I've slowed down all the most important parts so you can see exactly what I'm doing in detail. I did speed up some parts so that the video doesn't get too long, like hours long. Every video I upload is a very condensed version of hours of work, sometimes even days or weeks. Obviously depending on the project. The sculpt of Blue the Velociraptor lying down took about roughly 3 or 4 weeks to complete. So let's say about a month. Anyway, I'll try to upload as many videos and as soon as I can. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section down below. Now I'll let you enjoy the video and I'll meet you in a little while. My girlfriend very kindly and very meticulously cut some teeth out of some card, and then I glued them in the mouth with super glue. She also cut out for me the spikes that run along the neck and the back of the dinosaur. There's not much else to say now, so I'll meet you in the painting stage. the sculpt is finished. So here we are at the painting stage. I'll be using ARTEZA's water-based, scuff-resistant, self-healing, indoor and outdoor use, non-toxic acrylic paint. They come in a wide selection of colors, and I really want to point out the fun names they gave each color, like Marshmallow White and Papaya Whip. These are amazing quality products, so thank you ARTEZA for sending them to me. So we'll start with the base color, which is a grey-beige mix. Once dry, I painted the inside of the mouth, including the Allosaurus's blue tongue. Then I added a pinkish undertone underneath the legs, around the belly, the arms and the tail, and blended everything in with a grey dry brush. Then comes my favorite part, all the blue details of the dinosaur, which is later dry brushed with a light blue color. Then come the teeth. I mixed white and yellow. I used yellow paint for the eye with a black pupil, and this project is now complete. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked what you see, please like the video and subscribe and turn the notification bell button on so you can keep up to date with my videos. You can follow me on Instagram and like my page on Facebook. Stay tuned for the Nasutoceratops video. I'm gonna say bye now because when you gotta go, you gotta go. See you in the next one.